In the world of art, few figures stand as tall as Pablo Picasso, a true innovator who reshaped creativity and pushed boundaries. While his genius is most often associated with the canvas, his life and style also reflected a fascination with elegant and innovative objects. The Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso, with its iconic Art Deco design and groundbreaking reversible case, embodies the same spirit of innovation that defined Picasso's artistic legacy, making it a fitting symbol for his era. The Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso has its own unique origin. In 1931, British polo players needed a solution for the wristwatches that often shattered during matches. Swiss entrepreneur César Detré collaborated with Jaeger-LeCoultre to create a sturdy watch for the sport. French engineer René-Alfred introduced a groundbreaking design, a reversible rectangular case that protected the dial. This not only solved a practical problem, but also resulted in one of the most versatile and timeless watches ever created. Drawing inspiration from the Art Deco movement of the 1930s, the Reverso's sleek, geometric design captured the era's aesthetic. With minimalist dials, horizontal gadroons, and clean lines, it perfectly merged elegance with functionality. The design's balance of artistry and utility made it a defining piece that transcended its origins as a sports watch. Picasso's connection to objects was as innovative as his art. Born in Malaga, Spain in 1881, Picasso grew from a child prodigy into one of the most influential artists of the 20th century. His work evolved from the emotional depth of his blue and rose periods to pioneering Cubism with Georges Braque. Pieces like Les Demoiselles d'Avignon in 1907 shattered traditional artistic boundaries, laying the foundation for modern art. This desire to break boundaries extended beyond his artwork. The Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso, with its transformative design, mirrored Picasso's approach to deconstruct and reshape. Its reversible case offered new perspectives, much like his multidimensional approach to art. For Picasso, the Reverso was not just a watch, it was an embodiment of his relentless drive to redefine creativity and challenge conventions. As the years went on, the Reverso evolved from its polo origins into a cultural icon. Jaeger-LeCoultre expanded the Reverso collection to include features like small seconds, power reserves, and tourbillons. After a post-war decline, the watch experienced a resurgence in the 1980s with dual-faced models that offered multiple time zones and artistic customization. Its versatility and innovation cemented its reputation as an enduring masterpiece of horology. The Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso has always been more than just a watch. It has been worn by some of history's most iconic figures, each bringing their own legacy to its design. Aviator Amelia Earhart rumored to have worn the Reverso. King Edward VIII brought royal sophistication to its legacy, and Hollywood legend Cary Grant cemented its place in film history. Today, NBA superstar LeBron James carries on the Reverso's timeless appeal across generations. As it approaches its centennial, the Reverso endures as a timeless symbol of innovation, a reminder that the most remarkable creations come from those who dare to challenge expectations.